just want to give you a little bit of a tutorial here with regards to the Sun Salutation series. If you have watched my previous video on Sun Salutation, you'll see that I come into a chaturanga position, and from there we go in upward dog and then downward dog. But let me just demonstrate it here, right? So chaturanga means here, elbows either side of your rib cage, you're bringing yourself down, and from here you turn your feet and push yourself up to upward facing dog. Alright, so if you have any difficulty doing that, alright, this is what you can do instead. From the plank position, right, nice and strong plank, remember, wrists just under your shoulders here. What you can do is drop your knees and bring your chest and chin down to the mat, but still making sure that your elbows are tucked in and facing backwards. From here, turn your toes down and push yourself up into what we call like a baby cobra here, just here. And from there, turning your toes over, pressing down to the mat, come into your downward facing dog. Alright, so that is just an option that you can always use. Remember, in yoga, it's all about options and modifications. Work with your body, and slowly the progress will come. Be patient and happy practicing. Thank you. I hope that was useful for you. And if you like my channel, you can subscribe by hitting that button here. Bye.